Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, Stitcher, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.